Claude is incredibly powerful for UI design. But to get the best results, you need to change your approach. Stop treating it like a mind reader and start providing clear, structured direction. This video explores the Art Director's Playbook, a set of practices for creating intentional, consistent, and accessible interfaces using Claude Code. By default, Claude defaults to a vibe coding baseline, essentially producing the statistical average of the internet. This often leads to generic palettes, indecisive typography, and weak visual hierarchy. To get better results, use an anti-aesthetic prompt block. Ban generic defaults, like standard sans serif fonts or safe colors. Instead, dictate specific constraints, like bold font choices and intentional thematic earth tone palettes. Remember, Claude Code operates in a blind execution engine. It can't see what it builds. It only understands code correctness, not visual intent. You must close this visual loop. Drop screenshots into the terminal for manual review, or deploy tools like Playwright MCP for autonomous inspection and layout corrections. Without enforced boundaries, session-to-session amnesia will cause your UI to drift and diverge every time you clear your environment. Enforce your design system. Define exact design tokens like colors, spacing, and radii in a project-level CLAUDE.md file, and force Claude to reference these constraints before it writes a single line of code. Watch out for the surface-level trap. Accessibility and responsive layouts are often ignored unless you explicitly demand them. Bake these foundations in from the start. Inject REA patterns and WCAG standards using MCP skills, and demand mobile-first grid and flexbox patterns from your very first request. The core principle is simple. You are the art director, and Claude is the execution engine. Move away from vague prompts and toward providing strict specs, feedback loops, and rigid design systems. Thanks for watching. Use your context window effectively.